Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the FIFA gameplay comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. The Realme Narzo 30 Pro has got the Dimensity 800U and the Poco X3 has got the Snapdragon 732G. So this was the question which was asked by one of my subscribers that asking me to compare the FIFA graphics gameplay comparison between both phones. So which phone will be performing best and what is the maximum FPS we can get out of both the phones as well. So let me try to quickly show you the settings what I'm trying to use. The reason why I'm trying to show you the settings because both phones they're having the 120 Hz display refresh rate. So you should know which kind of refresh rate I'm using before starting the test as well. And just in case if you want to download the live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description friends. For live wallpaper there will be always a link available in the description below. As you can see right now I'm using the 120 Hz refresh rate. So let me try to quickly close all the applications from the background. So all the apps are cleared from the background as you can clearly see. So no apps are running in the background. And let me try to open the same FIFA game at same time in both phones. So let's see friends which phone will open actually faster. So this is another thing we can test in this phone in terms of the performance wise. So both phones I did press at same time. So let's see which phone will open the game faster. And both phones they're having the different kind of game space and game turbo. So which will enhance the gaming experience as well. So both phones at same time they did open, so there is not much lag. So they did manage to open at same time friends, both the phones in terms of the opening game. So that is our first thing, so where I'll be trying to check when I'm comparing the both phones side by side. So let me try to quickly go to the settings and let me try to show you what kind of graphic settings I'm using right now. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use the maximum graphic settings. As you can see, both phones are using the same graphic settings, so there is nothing got change. Everything is same. High FPS is on. So let me try to quickly close this and let me try to start the match. And let me try to even show you the real-time FPS meter. In the Poco X3, you do have this kind of option of seeing the real-time FPS as you can see. Whereas in the Realme phone, you need to swipe from the left or right to see the real-time FPS meter on the top. Similarly like this, as you can see friends clearly. So right now both phones are maintaining around 60 FPS only, if you notice 60 FPS, and here as well, so 61 FPS. And make sure to check the links in description friends for the playlist of each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. So the videos which I uploaded will be all together in one playlist, so which will be really helpful for you all in case if you're planning to buy any kind of smartphones. So right now just track the real-time data. So let me quickly connect to the Wi-Fi connection. Again it's got disconnected here in the Poco X3. So it got connected again back. So right now you can clearly see your friends have started the same match in both the phones. Let me quickly increase the brightness and show you the gameplay, how it's happening here in the Poco X3 and here in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, which has a Dimensity 800U. So let me quickly show you the real-time FPS meter, how much I'm getting in both phones. So both phones they're performing really good. So overall I'm getting around 60 FPS, if you notice here, 60 FPS as you can see. So without any issues. It was really good playing in both phones, so no problem at all. So apart from one difference, so the difference is the Poco X3 has got a very good big screen. So where some users they do like this kind of big screen mobile phone, some users doesn't like, and the Realme phone has only a one bottom facing speaker, so there is only one speaker present, so which may be okay for some users and which some users may not like the one speaker. So according to me friends, it's very good to have the dual stereo speaker setup, because you do get very good feedback when you're running and walking, when you can hear actually the enemy's footsteps as well from the left or right. So if your enemies are coming from the left side, you can hear the sound coming from left, and if your enemies are coming from right side, it's really good to have this kind of dual stereo speakers. So overall, that is the one advantage which I found in the Poco X3, and the Realme Narzo has got the very good small form factor, and the weight of the phone is really less. It's below I think 200 grams. It's about 196 grams only. That's a really low weight in considering this phone. And in case if you're planning to play the games for longer duration, then definitely this will impact a lot of your performance, because If the phone weight is too heavy, it definitely you will feel kind of tired to play the game continuously. So for that reasons, if you have the phone with a very light weight like this, it will be a really good advantage. But overall, in terms of the gameplay, there is no issues in both phones, so it was really good playing in both the phones. For the mid-range segment mobile phone, you're getting very good options, 60 fps by default. So both Dimensity 800U processor and the Snapdragon processor are really doing pretty good. Snapdragon 732G and the Dimensity 800U. And in case if you want me to do any other game comparison between both the phones, so make sure to comment below, friends, what other game you want me to compare. So right now I did compare the PUBG and this is the FIFA game, and there is so many games left like Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 as well. I'll try to do those videos comparison as well side by side. So just in case if you are curious to know which phone will perform best. And one thing I do like is the real-time FPS tracking. In the Poco X3 you do have this kind of real-time FPS tracking, so which will demonstrate you the real-time FPS how much you are getting, as you can see. So let me need to use the volume on the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. Now on the Poco X3. So this is a quick comparison, friends, overall between both the phones. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And one thing I forgot to mention is a temperature reading after playing the game for about 6 minutes and 5 minutes, as you can see. The same 36 and 37 degrees. So same temperature, 34. So there is nothing got change. So that's it, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.